Hi there! This video is a tutorial of Career Coach and all of its awesome services. Starting off on the West Valley College homepage, click on the Student Services tab at the top. On the next page, click on Career Services on the left-hand side. This will take you to Career Coach services at West Valley College. You can also use this direct web address to get there. Welcome to Career Coach, where you can discover majors, look at in-demand careers, and check out West Valley College's programs based on your interests. This program has 4 major features. You can take a career assessment, browse careers, browse programs, and build and submit your resume all in one place. Let's start by taking a career assessment. You will have a choice of taking a quick assessment or a detailed assessment. A sample question from the assessment might look like this. Simply answer how you feel about these tasks. Your assessment results will yield your top 3 traits and give you a description of what this means. Next, let's take a look at the Browse Careers feature. You can also search for information on a specific career by typing it in the box. This feature will pull up suggested career matches suited to your assessment results. Scroll down to check out all the different career categories that might suit your interests. The third feature of Career Coach allows you to pull up programs and majors at West Valley College. Simply click on Browse Programs, or if you know which program you are interested in, you can type it in the search box. West Valley College has many amazing programs. Scroll down to check them all out. Let's click on Professional Studies, for example. From here, let's check out the business major for fun. This page gives information about the major, tuition, and the West Valley College application for prospective students. Scrolling down will show careers matching your assessment results, as well as a brief description about a specific job, the median Bay Area salary, and the education level needed for this career. Are you ready for the last feature? This one is by far the coolest. Let's check out the Resume Builder. First, sign up for an account by creating a profile. Enter your first and last name, email address, and create a password for your account. Read the privacy policy and click Create Profile to get started. Now you're ready to log in with your email and password. In your profile, you can add additional information such as your major, phone number, and address. Use the tab at the top to click on My Resume. Now we get to the fun part. Let's start by naming your resume. Begin creating your resume by filling in your contact information. Scroll down to fill in your work experience and education history. Oftentimes, students tell me that work experience is the hardest section to get started on. Career Coach to the rescue! This program helps you build your work experience section. Start by typing in your most current job title in the box under Select Your Past Job. On the right-hand side, Career Coach will suggest tasks for your past jobs. A list of related work tasks will populate on the right-hand side, and you can choose the tasks that you perform at this job. When you are done, simply save this section and voila! Your work experience is now written. Continue building your resume by adding additional skills you possess and professional links you'd like to include. When your resume is finished and saved, you can click on the Download My Resume button on the right-hand side to retrieve a typed and neatly organized resume in Word document format. There's one last tip I'd like to share. Going back to the Career Coach homepage, you can also use the tabs at the top to get to all the features I showed you in this video. Up at the top, there's also a Work Opportunities tab that I haven't mentioned. Click on this tab to browse job postings from local employers. Remember that resume you just created? If you find a position on Career Coach that you are interested in, you can easily submit your resume with the click of a button. Here's that website again. Isn't Career Coach cool? It's easy, fast, useful, and completely free. Now it's your turn to check out the features. Take an assessment, browse careers and programs, and build your resume today.